This is R.D. Sharma solution, class 11, chapter 30, derivatives, exercise is 30.4. Now, these questions, mostly the questions we are going to do using differentiation, and we will apply the product rule. That is, the function here fx is given as x cube sin x. So when this x cube is there and sin x is there, we have derivative of x cube also and sin x also. So we'll use the product rule in order to solve it. That is, we assume it to be u and this as v. And we know that this u, x cube d by dx of u, or you are saying u dash fx, gx is there. Say fx and gx is there, which is u and v. So we'll take fx outside. Gx will differentiate d by dx of gx. Then what we do? Gx we take outside. Then we do the differentiation of fx. So eventually fx g dash x, that is the differentiation of g, and then gx and differentiation of f dash x. So we are writing u and v as fx gx and f dash x and g dash x as u dash v dash. So u v dash plus v u dash. And if they are three variable, you will do the same thing with u v w. So let us take u. U is x cube. So what is u dash? It's 3x square because it is nx to the power n minus 1. We have already done questions like this, means differentiation, so we'll do it directly. Sin x, v dash will be what? Sin x is cos x. So put it here in this equation. U is x cube, v dash is cos x. So multiply it, cos x plus. Now v is what? Sin x. U dash is 3x square. So you can make it more simpler by taking x square common. So x square, you have x cos x, and then you have 3 sin x here. So this is how we have to do the later questions which are coming. Now next one is question number 2. So this is question number 2 and question number 3 both. So question number 2 is given as x cube e raise x. Fx is x cube e raise x. So u and v, same formula we are going to apply. Same relation we are going to apply. So u, here we have question number 2 and then we have this question number 3. Let me complete question number 2 and then we'll come to question number 3. Why they are related is we have x cube and ex. In question number 3 we have x square and e to the power x. Only added about log x is there. So you'll understand question 2 and then it will be better to understand question number 3. So u is x cube, u dash is 3x square. V is e raise x, so v dash will be e to the power x only. So uv dash, that is x cube into e raise x plus this e raise x into 3x square. Then we have, you can take x square common. What do you get? You can take ex also common. Then you have x plus 3. So this is how we do this. Okay. Now this is the second one. And since we are going to use the concept of question number 2 in question number 3, so let me clean it first. This is question number 3. Question number 3 is saying, now we have 3 different content here. X square, e raise x and log x. We know uv. So uv, no, we have already done it. Now same thing we have to do with uvw. We'll take it as uvw. So d by dx, this is uvw. So d by dx, so uvw d by dx, d by dx to uvw will be equal to what? U dash vw, u v dash w and u v w dash. Same, we have just extended what we did for 2 content. Here we are doing it for 3 content. So let me tell you again, u dash, when it will come, we have to use vw. When we have done v dash, we have to take uw. And when we have done w dash, we have to take u and v. Okay. So u is what here? X square. V is here e raise x and w is log x. So u dash is x square is 2x, v dash e raise x is e raise x, and w dash is log x is 1 by x. So now v dash and u dash vw. So when we take 2x, we have to take e raise x and log x. E raise x and log x. Okay. When we take v dash, that is e raise x, we have to take x square and log x. So e raise x will take x square and log x. When we take w dash 1 by x, we'll take u and v, x square and e raise x. Now we can just make it simpler. So 2x e raise x log x will be same, e raise x square log x will be there, x gets cancelled. So we have x e raise x. So this is x e raise x, and you see x e raise x is common everywhere in all the three terms of this expression. So x e raise x will take outside. So what do you get? 2 log x inside. Then we have x log x, and then here we have taken only 1. Okay. So this is the question, and then we have question number 4. So question number 4 and 5 also we are going to take. So fx is going to be x raise n tan x. So take u as u, this as v. So u dash is nx to the power n minus 1. V dash is 10x of is sec square x. So u is x raise n, u dash will be nx to the power n minus 1, and v dash will be 10x will be sec square x. U is sec square x. Okay. Let us do the cross multiplication. Let us say that we are cross multiplying. So u v dash and v u dash. So this is x raise n. You can take x raise n minus 1 common. So rather than taking x raise n minus 1, it is always better to take x raise n. It is always better to take x raise n minus 1, because it will be, nothing will come in the denominator, everything will come in the numerator. So we are taking x raise n minus 1 common. So we have to divide it by x. So it goes x raise n minus 1. If you are taking, it will be divided by x, and 1, there has to be a x in the numerator. So x raise n minus 1, you have x sec square x, and here also we have taken x raise n minus 1, you have n 10x. Okay. Now let us take the other one, which is question number 5. Question number 5 is saying fx is given as x raise n and log base ax, log x but base a. So u and v, u dash, v dash we have to find out. U is x raise n, so u dash will be what? N x to the power n minus 1, u dash, and then we have v dash. So log x, we know how to do this. We have to change it. So we need to have a base e, then only we'll apply the differentiation. So we know it directly, but I'll just tell you once again. We have done it already in the previous discussion. So we'll write it as log x by log a, because base e we are making, and log x is 1 by x, differentiation, constant we are not doing. So 1 by x log a it will be. So we'll write this as x to the power n multiplied by 1 by x log a, and then plus n x raised n minus 1 and log base a x. Okay. So now x, you can take x raised n minus 1. You can even change this if you want it. You can write it as a log x by log a, but it is not required here. You can always have it like this only. So we have x raised n minus 1. So just take x raised n minus 1, because x raised n minus 1 is in the second term. And from here, if you take x raised n minus 1, because x was already there in the first term. So x raised n minus 1 will be 1 by log a plus, and this is n, this you take outside. And then we have, you keep it as log x base a. Okay. Question number 6. So here we have u as x cube plus x square plus 1 and v is given as x sin x. So let me show it to you here only. So we have done questions here. So u dash is 3x square plus 2x and then we have v dash cos x. So we have u v dash and this multiply here and then v u dash. Okay. So coming to the next one, question number 7. Now let us do it properly. U is sin x, v is cos x, u dash is cos x, v dash is cos x is minus sin x. So let us just multiply across. Sin x minus sin x is minus sin square x, cos x is cos square x, and cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. This is a direct formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. This is question number 8. Okay. So we have 2 to the power x, then we have cot x, and in the denominator we have under root x. This is x raised half. So we'll take it as x raised minus half. We are taking it up. So this is u, this is v, and this is w. Now what will be u dash? U dash, this is a to the power x, so it will be a to the power x log a. So 2 to the power x log base e a. V dash is what? Cot x differentiation is minus cos x square x. Minus cos x square x. And w dash will be what? It will be minus half x to the power minus half minus 1. So minus 3 by 2 it will be. Okay. So we will use u when you do use dash, we will use v and w. So 2 raise x log 2 and we have this x raised minus half. Cot x and x raised minus half. Okay. Now v dash we take minus cos x square x. So we have 2 raise x, that is u and w, x raised minus half. Here plus, then we take minus half x raised minus 3 by 2. So we have 2 raise x cot x. Okay. So this 2 raise x log 2 cot x minus half, we can always write it as 1 by x to the power half, which is 1 by root 2, root x. So minus, wherever you have minus, just make it as minus. Okay. So this is minus cos x square x. Now 2 raise x and 1 by root x is everywhere. So this is minus, this minus, third one is x raised minus 3 by 2. So how to write this x raised minus 3 by 2? So we'll just write it at x raised minus 3 by 2. So this will be 1 by x raised 3 by 2. X raised minus 3 by 2 will be 1 by x raised, this is x raised minus 3 by 2, this is x raised 3 by 2 in the denominator. We can write it as x raised 1 dot x raised half. So this is x to the power 1, x half is root x. So basically it's x root x. X raised 3 by 2 is x root x. So this is x root x. Now you see here 1 by root x and 2 raised x is common everywhere. 2x is here, root x is common in the denominator. So you can just take outside whatever is there, just keep it here. Question number 9. Now we have x square sin x and log x. X square sin x and log x. So these are 3 u v w. So x square is 2x, cos x is sin x is cos x and log x is 1 by x. So we'll apply the rule. We have seen how to do this. So 2x and sin x log x. Then when we say cos x, it will be x square and log x along with this, that is u and w. When we take w dash 1 by x, you have to take u and v, that is x square and sin x. Okay. So it will be all like this. 1x will get cancelled. No common we are taking, nothing. The same will be the final answer. Question number 10. X raised 5 e raised x. And then we have x raised 6 log x. So x raised 5 e raised x plus x raised 6 log x. So what do we do here? This this we will treat as other one u and v. This will take as ub. But that is, first we'll deal with x5 ex. So x5 d by dx e raise x plus e raise x d by dx of x raise 5. So you have x5 e raise x plus e raise x. X to the power 5 is 5 x to the power 4. So this 2, and then x raise 6 log x. So again uv form, x raise 6 d by dx of log x plus log x d by dx of e to the power x, x to the power x 6. x6 log x is 1 by x plus log x, and this x raised 6 will be 6 x to the power 5. So 1 you can cancel, x to the power 5 will come. Okay, so this will become x raised 5 log x, 6 log x, x to the power 5. So these two terms we have come. These are two later terms. These are first terms, x5 ex and 5 e raised x, x4. So when you see here x raised 4, you can take common from all these three. So when you take x raised 4, whatever is remaining, which I am showing you here, can be put inside. So x4 you can take common. Now here we have question number 11. So this 11 is given as, u is given as x sin x plus cos x. This you can, or fx you can first take x cos x minus sin x. So we have this as u and this as v. This as u and this as v. Okay, so this I am writing it here only. U dash will take. So differential, this is sin x, x sin x, we will use u and v concept here. Product rule. So x sin x, what will be the differential? You can take x outside, sin x is cos x, d by dx of sin x, plus d this sin x d by dx of x. So here x sin x is cos x plus sin x d by dx of x is 1. So x cos x plus sin x here, and then we have, I am taking now x cos x only. X cos x will be x d by dx of cos x plus cos x d by dx of x. So x cos x is minus sin x and d by dx of x is 1, so plus cos x. This is minus x plus sin plus cos x. Okay, now minus sin x was already there. Minus sin x is already there because cos x differentiation is minus sin x and sin x differential is, let me show you here, x sin x we have already done, and then we have cos x as sin x, and here in place of x cos x just put this minus x sin x plus cos x, and then the cos x is minus sin x and sin x is minus cos x. Okay, so if you see this, sin x gets cancelled, you will get x cos x only. Here you get x cos x cancel, you get minus x sin x. So you have u dash v dash. What do you get? U dash v dash. Okay. So we do it like this. U, this is u. And then we have, this is v dash. And this is your v. And this is u dash. Now multiply this. Properly multiply this. X sin x minus x sin x is minus x square sin square x. X sin x and cos x and minus x sin x is minus x cos x sin x. X cos x and x cos x is x square cos square x. And minus sin x and x cos x is minus x cos x sin x. So we have this, you can take x square common from here. Sin square x and cos square x. You can take x square common from here. So when you take x square common, x square cos square x minus x square sin square x, you can write x square cos, you can assume it to be x square cos square x minus x square sin square x. First and third time I am taking, third term. So when you take x square common, this will be cos square minus sin square. Cos square minus sin square is cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. Now come here. This is minus x sin, minus x cos sin x and minus x cos sin x. When you take x, it will be basically 2x cos x sin x. 2x sin x cos x. So minus 2x cos x sin x it is. So 2 sin x cos x is what? Is sin 2x. So minus x was already there and this sin 2 sin x cos x will be sin 2x. Now you can take x common from here. So x cos 2x and minus sin 2x will come. Now this is question number 12. We have fx as x sin x plus cos x. Then we have just done it. Let me show you. We have already done it. That will come as x cos x. So I will directly write x cos x for this one. Then we have the second one as e raise x plus x square log x. Okay. So this is u, this is v. So what about u dash? When we take u dash, we have already done this. So u dash will be x cos x. This is x cos x. X sin x plus cos x. Differential will be x cos x because we already done. X sin x we have done. Cos x was minus sin x. Now coming to e raise x plus x square log x. So e raise x will be e raise x. This will be x. Assume it to be uv. So uv x square is d by dx log x plus log x. And you have d by dx of x square. So e raise x plus x square. Log x is 1 by x. D by dx of log x is 1 by x. So x gets cancelled. Then we have this x square. So it is 2x. So 2x log x will come. 2x log x. Now we have the first term as x cos x. The second term is e raise x plus x plus 2x log x. So just u dash v dash u you have to do. So x plus this multiplication I have done, and don't solve it, keep it here only. You won't get anything common, etc. So just keep it like this. So I just left it like that. Okay, this question number 13 we are going to take in the next discussion. Till then, thank you so much. Take care of yourself.